Hello and welcome again. I am going to update my instructions on installing ns-3 because there are newer versions that use a different tool. Let me go to the ns-3 installation website, and this is taking long to download, to open for some reason. There you go. And ns-3 installation. Now, there have been updates with how to install ns-3. The newest version will require that you get git clone, so you get it from this repository. However, Git is not installed. And so for this purpose, what you need to do is install all the dependencies required. So I have all the dependencies listed here. So first, let's do sudo apt-get update. We'll install Git. To install the Git tool, it will install G++, which is the C++ compiler, make cmake for the make tool, basically to make python-3, python-3 div, and all these packages that are needed for Python development, and the Python PyViz, which is for the visualizer in Python, the live PyViz visualizer. For ns-3, the tool net-enum, we will use qt5, which is a set of libraries written in C++ that is used to build the net-enum, and then gdb if you want a debugger. And so I'll just run this script because I have them all together, and will ask me for a password and will ask me to do the yeses. So this is what you need in short to install ns-3. It'll take some time, so we'll get back to you when the installation is done. All right. So now we're done installing the dependencies. So let us go and look at the ns-3, and let's do git clone, gitlab, and get the ns-3 bake tool. So we install git. It's not there by default. This was a clean installation of ns-3. Now it created a bake file. Now we could do bake.py and check bake.py. Huh. All right. So as we can see, all the dependencies are there. And let me go back. So there is a bake-conf here, which links different versions of ns-3 with the links and everything. So if I do bake.py and I say configure -e ns-3.21, so sorry, 3.32, that's the latest version. It will create a bake file.xml, as you can see here, which is the one used to download what we need to download. So I'm going to do show to show what will be installed. So it says here that I do not have Python div and pygraph-viz, but I'm sure pygraph-viz will work. Let me double check this one before I go further. We don't want the regular Python, we want the Python 3. So I think I no, I don't want the Python 2. So, okay. No, I am confident that this should work because these tools are needed for the PyViz visualizer. And now it's not complaining even though I did not install anything. So this tool is weird, let's say. All right. So now I am going to do bake.py download. And what this does, it downloads what needs to be downloaded, basically. So it will download netenim, and it will download ns-3.32. And so once that's downloaded, we will do bake.py build. And it basically will build netenim and will build ns-3.32. Now we're done. Bake.py build. All right. So it's building the python-gi, building the netenim 3.108, and this will take some time. So I will fast forward until we get to that point, and then it will build ns-3.32. It's done. And so let's go to cd source and cd ns-3.23. We need to run waf configure. Let me do this. You can do options if you want. So something like disable w error -- enable examples -- enable tests. And yeah. So let's see now. It's configured with GCC version 9, which is basically the one bundled with Ubuntu or gets downloaded with Ubuntu. PyVis visualizer is enabled, which is what I wanted it to do. It was telling me that it couldn't do it in the warning. So PyVis visualizer is the live visualization in Python. And yeah, I think now we could do waf, which basically builds it with the configuration we set up. So this will take some time, and it should succeed, and then I can run the examples. I can run a example code. Okay, so now the build is done. So let us try to do waf run first example. As you can see, it runs. Let's try it with the Python visualizer. And as you can see, it's working. We'll send one packet. That's it. So this has been the process of installing ns3 updated for the newest versions. Thank you for watching this video. If you're struggling with the installation, refer to the instructions here because you might have missed something. But you can also ask it, in the comments below if you would like. Please like it, share it, subscribe, and have a great day and good luck with your work. Bye-bye.